One thing that can be a real game changer for your writing and your speaking are idioms. Idioms are like the masala in your English. Of course, grammar and vocabulary are the base, but idioms can be the seasoning, the flavoring that makes your personality shine. Using idioms correctly and naturally in sentences can make your English sound sharper, more natural, and band 8 and 9 ready. In this video, you learn 20 powerful idioms, and more importantly, you learn how to use them correctly, almost naturally in sentences. Section 1, a double edged sword, meaning something that has both positive and negative effects. Example: while remote work increases flexibility, it can be a double edged sword, as it often leads to longer working hours and blurred work life boundaries. The tip of the iceberg, meaning a small visible part of a much larger, often hidden problem. Example: the recent surge in food prices is merely the tip of the iceberg, pointing to deeper structural issues in global supply chains. In the same boat, meaning in the same difficult situation as others. Example: with rising tuition fees, students from middle income families are all in the same boat, struggling to afford quality education. On the brink of, meaning very close to experiencing a significant or important event. Example: with rapid advancements in automation, many industries are on the brink of major transformation, particularly in sectors driven by repetitive tasks. Section 2, idioms that refer to success and effort. Climb the ladder, meaning to advance in one's career or social position. Example: she began her career as an intern and gradually climbed the corporate ladder to become a senior manager within a decade. Payoff, meaning to produce a successful result after effort. Example: after months of disciplined preparation, his efforts finally paid off when he received a band 8 in IELTS. Go the extra mile, meaning to make more effort than is expected or required. Example: employees who consistently go the extra mile are often recognized and promoted faster. Break new ground, meaning to do something innovative or pioneering. Example: securing her first international job allowed her to break new ground in her career. Section 3, idioms that help you talk about challenges and problems. Back against the wall, meaning in a situation with very limited options and high pressure. Example: during the economic downturn, many small businesses found themselves with their back against the wall, struggling to survive. On the back foot, meaning in a defensive or disadvantaged position. Example: following the sudden policy change, several small businesses found themselves on the back foot, struggling to adapt to new regulations. To bite the bullet, meaning to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Example: she decided to bite the bullet and invest in higher education despite the financial burden. A tough nut to crack, meaning a difficult problem or challenge to solve, or a difficult person. Example: reducing urban pollution has proven to be a tough nut to crack for policymakers. These Section 4 idioms will help you talk about decision making and thinking. Weigh your options, meaning to carefully consider all possible choices. Example: students should carefully weigh their options before choosing a university course. Jump the gun. It means to act too quickly without proper thought or preparation. Example: many job seekers jump the gun by accepting offers without evaluating long term career growth. In black and white means clearly stated in written or printed form. Example: the company's policies were clearly outlined in black and white in the contract. Cut to the chase, meaning to get to the main point without unnecessary details. Example: to make meetings more efficient, managers should cut to the chase and focus on key decisions. Section 5 talks about ideas and communication. Think outside the box, meaning to think creatively and unconventionally. Example: in a competitive job market, candidates must think outside the box to stand out. Bring to light, meaning to reveal or make something known. Example, the investigation brought to light several unethical practices within the organization. On the same page, it means in agreement or having the same understanding. Example, for a project to succeed, all team members must be on the same page regarding goals and expectations. To get the ball rolling, it means to initiate a process or start an activity. Example, she volunteered to speak first to get the ball rolling in the debate. You've now reached the end of this video. That's how you use idioms in sentences. But remember, idioms are not just about memorizing, it's about using them correctly, naturally in sentences. If you want more such powerful tips to get a high band score in IELTS, then subscribe to the English Language Edit. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.